Check the feed conversion ratio on Sector 3.
Optimizing the pellet distribution now.
Trailers 3 and 4 are clear for loading. Copy that, sending the next batch now. The automated brushes are maintaining the optimal speed.
And the sensor data confirms complete coverage on this group. Weight and size data is analyzed instantly. Digital AI decides processing path. Precision trimming machines refine each piece of meat. Excess fat and uneven edges are removed carefully.
Separation systems divide meat into different product categories. Lean meat and fat portions are sorted automatically. Digital
Processed pig meat moves into refinement and cooling stage. Conveyor belts carry meat through cold tunnels as robotic scanners inspect every batch carefully.
Large industrial rollers flatten the soap mass evenly across the production line. The pink slab spreads into a uniform A vacuum system removes trapped air bubbles from the pink soap mixture. This improves density and smoothness significantly.
Powerful extraction fans remove moisture and steam from the environment. The air becomes dry and